Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mint Ki Chatni only way. Gather fresh mint, cilantro, green chili, roasted cumin, lemon juice, salt, and a pinch of sugar. Rough chop herbs to help the blender, then add ingredients with a splash of water. Pulse until a smooth, bright green paste forms. Taste and tweak lemon, salt, or chili to match your preferred zing and heat. Start by layering ingredients in the blender with lemon juice on top to protect color and flavor. Use short pulses and scrape down the sides between bursts for an even texture. Keep water minimal so the chutney stays thick enough to scoop but spreadable. Aim for a fresh, zesty aroma and forkable consistency that clings to kebabs, parathas, or chaat. Adjust salt and sugar at the end for balance. Spoon the chutney into a clean airtight jar and press a piece of plastic directly onto the surface to reduce oxidation. Refrigerate for up to 5 days or freeze in small portions for months. Thaw cubes in the fridge or at room temperature before serving. Serve chilled alongside snacks and main dishes, and consider drizzling a little oil on top to preserve color if you plan to keep it a few extra days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.